Have you ever tasted a cookie so soft it melts in your mouth? Today I'm making alfajores, sweet South American sandwich cookies with a creamy dulce de leche filling. Let's begin your delicious journey. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of unsalted butter, make sure it's softened, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course, dulce de leche for the filling. If you want a chocolate version, just add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Start by creaming together the butter and powdered sugar in a large bowl. Mix until it's fluffy and pale. This step is what creates that signature soft texture. Next, add the vanilla extract. Slowly mix in your flour and cornstarch. You want the dough to be soft and just a little sticky. Now, wrap the dough in plastic wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. This helps it firm up, making it way easier to shape. Once it's chilled, roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Use round cookie cutters to cut your shapes or get creative and try fun, seasonal cutters. Place the cookies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, just until they're slightly golden at the edges. Let the cookies cool completely on a wire rack. They need to be firm before you add the filling. Now for the best part, the dulce de leche. Spread a generous spoonful on the flat side of 1 cookie. Then gently press another cookie on top. It's a creamy, sweet sandwich, the ultimate comfort bite. For a special touch, roll the edges in shredded coconut or chopped nuts. It adds a little crunch and makes them look even more irresistible. Finish with a light dusting of powdered sugar. Use a fine sifter for that perfect, delicate coating, or mix in a little cocoa powder if you're feeling chocolatey. Serve your alfajores with tea, coffee, or gift them in a decorative box. They're perfect for celebrations or just treating yourself any day. To store, keep them in an airtight container for up to a week. Or if you want to make ahead, freeze the cookies, just without the filling, and add the dulce de leche when you're ready to enjoy. And if you want to get creative, try flavor twists like espresso dough with chocolate filling, or almond extract paired with apricot jam. Alfajores are more than cookies. They're a joyful treat, meant to be shared and savored. If you love this, check out my channel for even more sweet inspiration.